So a bit of an update for today. I've just taken the previous video offline at the request by CYC. It appears that there's been a genuine mistake made with the motor that I was shipped, and that the gearbox here is actually for the direct drive cog version of this, where you have a cog that meshes with a gear here, and it spins round and round and round, and it directly meshes with this gear rather than using a golden chain. But because with a cog it would turn the other way, the gearbox is shifted and the motor switched around. So they're going to send me some procedures to change something called the sprag clutch and switch it around in the motor. So yeah, maybe we'll strip it off and I'll see if I think I can give it a go, and if I think I can handle it, maybe we'll try this fix, because that could be, a lot of fun to see. So yeah, sorry for deleting the previous video, but I'm going to give CYC every chance to fix this, because I like the motor. I think it's cool, and I do want it to work. And yeah, we'll go from there, and I'll do a further video as soon as I can.